Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to check if you have the last software version. So, open Sony Sound Connect application and if some update available for your earbuds, right here at the bottom you will see information that you can update, and you just click on it and update it, and it can fix your problem. Now, if it didn't help you or you haven't new update, next step is to, right here at the main menu in the application, scroll down and go to device settings. Then click at the system at the top. And right here we have pause when headphones are removed. So if it enable, it means that when you remove your earbuds, it will stop to play music or your video or movie. So just tap at the slider. If this slider have empty background, it means that it's disabled. Now, if it also didn't help you, the next step is it may be a problem of your audio player. So let's say you use Apple Music. Okay, I haven't Apple Music. Maybe I have Spotify here. Nope. So just imagine that you listen to music in Google Chrome, or actually it's the same with Apple Music and Spotify. Firstly, just remove it from the cache and then open your audio player again, and it can fix your problem. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. Right here we have touch areas, and you need to press and hold at the both of these touch areas until this LED light stopped flashing. So press and hold. Firstly, it starts flashing and we wait until this LED light is going to turn off. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and after that you just remove your earbuds from the charging case and it will automatically reconnect your earbuds. You don't need to remove and edit. And to prove it for you, we can go to the settings, Bluetooth, and as you can see, we still have connection because it reconnect. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.